Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty, and I'm really excited to bring to market this traditional American Foursquare in one of the most premier and desired neighborhoods here in Holyoke. It's been completely renovated from top to bottom. Outside we've got newer shingles, newer windows, a new two-car garage with a driveway. Inside, beautiful architectural details, a gourmet kitchen that any cook would absolutely love. And make sure you stay tuned until the end. We've got a third floor master retreat with radiant floors, a huge oversized shower. You're really gonna love it. Come on and follow me inside and let's go check out all my favorite features here at 84 Lexington Avenue. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour inside. In addition to all the cosmetic upgrades we also have a very low cost of ownership. That's thanks to all the new windows, the extra insulation the owners have added, and also thanks to the municipal utilities. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for this nice of a home in Holyoke, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.